Welcome. We are talking about this interesting topic, and that is what it takes to pack brain into a computer chip, right? Packing a brain into computer chip is like, okay, engraving the capabilities of human mind on a semiconductor. So it is a metaphorical expression. We are not actually packing the brain into computer chip, but we are creating all the capabilities, right? So engineers are integrating advanced artificial intelligence systems into compact and efficient semiconductors and computer hardware platforms, and they eventually go in creating and supporting the AI systems, right? So this is what is happening. And today we are talking about uh, what are the building blocks of that. Building blocks of that means what is being done to create this. And second thing, once this brain is engraved into computer chip, what it is resulting in. So let us first of all talk about once brain is engraved into computer chip and computer hardware, then machines like robots, machines like chatbots, they can think now, learn now, and create just the way humans can do, right? So these platforms, these capabilities of AI can now make art, create images, develop code in programming languages like Python, produce videos for us when we give a text command like being done by Sora, and they are coming up with even the medical treatments. So this is all possible because the engineers and scientists behind them, behind the AI systems, the AI researcher is engraving the human brain like capabilities on semiconductors and machine hardwares and softwares. Now, let us try to have a view of the building blocks of AI, right? And I have created a formula version of these building blocks, which includes neurology, plus mathematics, plus logic and philosophy, plus data sets on which these systems are trained, plus coding and programming into all sorts of languages. Python is just one of them. Computing power, transformers, electricity and infrastructure, internet and cloud computing, communities and communications, and some emerging technologies as well. So all these taken together are the building blocks which are helping pack the human brain-like capabilities into artificial intelligence chips. Now, let us talk about these components one by one. Neurology. Neurology in AI creates capability to mimic human brain functions, creating a foundation for machine learning and decision-making processes. So neurology is integral part of what they call now neural networks and what they call now machine learning systems, right? So machines now are learning to have those capabilities which were kind of more like reserved for human brain. But yes, now the chips and these IT systems, artificial intelligence systems have those capabilities. Mathematics is, of course, another part of the building blocks, and mathematics fuels AI by providing the algorithms that drive efficiency and accuracy in data handling. No AI system would be possible without mathematical models. The next thing is logic and philosophy. It embeds ethical and rational decision making within the AI systems. Interesting. And of course, coding and programming are integral part of AI systems. They translate human instructions into a language AI system can understand and follow. But nowadays they say that even without human instructions, if we give them input, if we give them output, the machines are becoming intelligent enough to create the instructions for themselves and then follow the instructions. So machines are becoming autonomous. This is happening due to machine learning, reinforced learning, but definitely starting was coding and programming techniques. The next thing that is building block and is a vital part of a framework of artificial intelligence is computing power. That is engine, like an engine that drives AI, doing all the processing at unprecedented speeds. So this is important. Transformers are another component, the building blocks of artificial intelligence. They enable to grasp and generate language by understanding the context, not just the content. So the context in which the things are being done, then they work accordingly. That is why robots, they when they are trained, they do what they are instructed to do. For example, you show them an environment, okay, that this is the environment, okay, go to kitchen, these are the components, contents they understand, they will figure out that yes, it is a kitchen from all the contents in there. But then they would also understand the context, that okay, if the kitchen is dirty, then clean it. So they now follow not just the content, uh, and they would also follow the context. So this is really interesting. Then electricity and infrastructure, they are also backbone of AI, and they support systems that keep AI running and running smoothly, right? We hear about these data centers. They consume immense amount of electricity. So that is why there is a lot of pressure on water resources these days to cool off these data centers. Internet and cloud computing is another part of the framework and a vital building block of artificial intelligence. And the thing is that internet and cloud computing expand AI capabilities by providing global access and scalable resources. So that is the thing. So internet definitely was always at the backbone, but now cloud computing is emerging there. So we don't have to store everything locally. Rather, there are computing centers, there are powerful processors, and these data centers where everything is happening, right? Cloud is not in sky, but in those data centers where everything gets stored on those powerful servers. Then communities and communications. We can't forget this thing. They ensure continuous innovation. Communities and communication actually provide inputs, right? AI systems are trained on a lot of database. Those billions of words that we use and multiple languages that we speak and all the data that we generate on all the social media platforms, all these become input for AI system to get trained on. And eventually the communities also collaborate, because benefits of AI would emerge only when communities collaborate with AI systems, right? So this way. And finally, I want to say that the list given above as building blocks of AI is just illustrative. It is in no way meant to be exhaustive list because a lot of technologies are emerging, and you never know, tomorrow they will start actually getting integrated into AI systems and making the systems even more powerful. So these are the building blocks of AI, which ensure that not just AI can uh, do the computing, not just it can do the algorithm processing, not just it can do the arithmetic and logical processing, not just it can do the computing. They now have the power to create, to generate, and to produce the content, these amazing images from text commands. Those videos can be produced from text commands, and they are even creating the medical treatments and solutions. So these emerging technologies and these backbone infrastructure and these building blocks and these framework elements are helping AI to do the amazing thing, which more like seems magical capabilities of AI. Thanks for joining, and I will see you next time.